Binibini number 4, how are you tonight?
Hello, good evening. I'm actually feeling good, but a bit nervous.
Do you want to say hi to your supporters?
To my supporters out there, especially my CDSS family, thank you all for coming, especially to my family who came from other places like San Jose. They also came from Oriental as well.
Wow,
Thank
all the
you
way
so
from
much.
the other side of the province. Wow, Binibini number 2, are you ready to answer the question now? Okay, we're going to read the question twice. Dalawang beses natin babasahin, and then you can answer it right after the second reading. Ito yung tanong natin. Habang patuloy na umuunlad ang sablayan, humaharap din ito sa mga hamon sa edukasyon, kalusugan, kalikasan, at pag-unlad ng kabataan. Bilang isang kabataang leader at huwaran, anong personal na katangian mo o karanasan sa buhay ang gagabay sa iyo upang makatulong sa pag-unlad ng ating bayan at paano mo ito isasalin sa konkretong paglilingkod para sa mga sablayan niyo? I'll repeat the question again. Habang patuloy na umuulad ang sablayan, humaharap din ito sa hamon ng edukasyon, kalusugan, kalikasan at pag-unlad ng kabataan. Bilang isang leader at huwaran, anong personal na katangian o karanasan mo sa buhay ang gagabay sa iyo upang makatulong sa pag-unlad ng ating bayan at paano mo ito isasalin sa konkretong paglilingkod para sa mga sablayan niyo? If you want to go ahead and answer in English, that's totally fine. Oh, translation in English, there's no translation given. Pero naintindihan mo naman yung tanong? Okay, she's asking to read the question one more time. Alright, habang patuloy na umuulad ang sablayan, humaharap din ito sa mga hamon sa edukasyon, kalusugan, kalikasan at pag-unlad ng kabataan. Bilang isang kabataang leader at huwaran, anong personal na katangian mo o karanasan mo sa buhay ang gagabay sa iyo upang makatulong sa pag-unlad ng ating bayan at paano mo ito isasalin sa konkretong paglilingkod para sa mga sablayenyo?
As a youth leader myself, personally, I've experienced to be a true and purposeful leader. And I believe the personal trait that I have that will guide me to be a better leader, to have something valuable to contribute to my community is kindness. And throughout my meaningful life journey, I see purposeful sablayan niya. My heart's intention is to promote my advocacy, which is kind leadership, which aims to empower communities through agritourism and youth actions. Because I believe that through this, we are investing a brighter future for Sablayan. And as your next Binibining Sablayan, I want to share these kinds of aspects to teach especially the aspiring leader and the youth to be the leader of themselves in order for us to be more united. And may I prove myself worthy to carry our town's crown with dignity and humility beyond the slogan, Iba ka Sablayan. And together, let us learn to rise, unite, and ignite so that we could shape a future that shines bright. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Binibini number 4. You can go ahead and proceed at the back. And thank you so much to the supporters, our Binibinis and Ginoos who are still very awake and ready to shout and support our